Hey, what's up everybody, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving deep into the amazing world of garlic. That's right, garlic. This little bulb isn't just for warding off vampires, it's packed with health benefits that can seriously upgrade your well-being. We're talking immune system boost, heart health, better digestion, even clearer skin. So, stick around because in this video I'm breaking down everything you need to know about garlic, the science behind its power, and how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the basics. Garlic, a small but mighty bulb, has been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets for thousands of years. Its unique flavor and potent health benefits make it a true powerhouse in the world of natural remedies. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. This humble bulb is packed with nutrients and compounds that have been shown to support overall health and well-being. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized its power. They used garlic to treat a variety of ailments, from infections to digestive issues. The ancient Egyptians even believed garlic could enhance strength and endurance, feeding it to their laborers and soldiers. And guess what? Modern science totally backs them up. Numerous studies have confirmed garlic's ability to boost the immune system, reduce blood pressure, and even lower cholesterol levels. It's no wonder garlic is often referred to as a natural antibiotic. The magic of garlic comes from its sulfur-containing compounds, with allicin being the star player. Allicin is responsible for garlic's distinctive smell and many of its health benefits. Allicin is released when you crush or chop garlic, and that's when things get really interesting. This compound has powerful antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This compound is a potent antioxidant, meaning it protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining good health, as they help prevent chronic diseases and slow down the aging process. Think of free radicals as those troublemakers causing inflammation and aging in your body. They can damage your cells and contribute to various health issues, including heart disease and cancer. Allicin swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing those troublemakers and keeping you in tip-top shape. So the next time you add garlic to your meal, remember that you're not just enhancing the flavor, but also giving your body a powerful health boost. Now, let's talk about your immune system, because who doesn't want a strong defense against those pesky colds and flus? Well, garlic has your back. Studies have shown that regular garlic consumption can actually reduce the frequency and severity of colds. That's because allicin, our superhero compound, has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. It basically helps your body fight off those nasty bugs trying to bring you down. And it's not just about fighting off infections. Garlic also helps modulate your immune response, meaning it keeps things balanced so your immune system doesn't overreact and cause unnecessary inflammation. Alright, next up is heart health. And let me tell you, garlic deserves a chef's kiss when it comes to your cardiovascular system. This humble bulb has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. We're talking lower blood pressure, reduced cholesterol levels, and improved circulation. How does it work? Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which have potent medicinal properties. These compounds help to relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Well, garlic helps relax blood vessels, making it easier for blood to flow through them. This is particularly beneficial for those with hypertension, as it can help to lower blood pressure naturally, which allows for better blood flow and reduces the strain on your heart. When your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, it stays healthier for longer and reduces the strain on your heart. This can lead to a lower risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. It also helps lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs your arteries. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The bad kind that clogs your arteries. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you can help to keep your arteries clear and your heart functioning optimally. And for those concerned about blood clots, garlic acts as a natural blood thinner, reducing the risk of dangerous clots forming. Blood clots can lead to serious health issues, including heart attacks and strokes. Garlic acts as a natural blood thinner, helping to keep your blood flowing smoothly. This is especially important for individuals at risk of clotting disorders, reducing the risk of dangerous clots forming. So, whether you prefer it fresh, powdered, or in supplement form, adding garlic to your daily routine can have significant benefits for your heart health. So, incorporating garlic into your diet is like giving your heart a big, warm hug. It's a simple, natural way to support your cardiovascular system and promote overall wellness. So next time you're cooking, don't forget to add a little extra garlic for your heart's sake. Now let's move on to the digestive system. Garlic has been used for centuries to soothe digestive discomfort, and for good reason. It stimulates the production of digestive juices, which helps break down food more efficiently. Garlic also has prebiotic properties, meaning it promotes the growth of good bacteria in your gut. And a healthy gut microbiome is crucial for everything from digestion to immunity to even your mood. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your gut health, look no further than garlic. Okay, now let's talk beauty, because who doesn't want clear, radiant skin? Garlic's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a powerful ally in the fight against acne. It helps kill the bacteria that cause breakouts and reduces redness and inflammation. You can even apply garlic topically to blemishes for a spot treatment. Just be sure to dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil to avoid irritation. Garlic also boosts collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. So, how can you easily incorporate more garlic into your diet? Well, the possibilities are endless. Add it to stir-fries, soups, stews, or roast it whole for a delicious spread. You can even enjoy it raw, minced or crushed in salad dressings or dips. If you're concerned about garlic breath, try chewing on some fresh parsley or mint leaves afterward. And remember, a little goes a long way. Start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to see how your body responds. So there you have it, folks. Garlic isn't just a delicious ingredient, it's a true health hero. This humble bulb has been used for centuries, not just for its flavor, but for its incredible health benefits. Garlic is packed with essential nutrients and compounds that can help improve your overall well-being. It's rich in vitamins C and B6, manganese and selenium, which are vital for maintaining good health. From boosting your immune system to protecting your heart, garlic does it all. Its powerful antioxidants help fight off infections and reduce inflammation, keeping your body strong and resilient. And let's not forget about its beauty benefits. Garlic can even give you glowing skin, thanks to its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps clear up acne and other skin issues, leaving you with a radiant complexion. The benefits of garlic are undeniable. Whether you add it to your meals, take it as a supplement, or use it in your skincare routine, garlic is a versatile and powerful ally in your quest for better health. So make it a part of your daily routine. Incorporate it into your cooking, try out new recipes, or simply take a garlic supplement to ensure you're reaping all its benefits. Experience the power of this incredible superfood for yourself. Share a garlic-rich meal with your family and friends, and enjoy the delicious taste and health benefits together. Stay healthy, everyone. Don't underestimate the power of garlic. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your health. Make it a part of your daily routine for a healthier, happier you. And remember, the journey to better health starts with small, consistent steps. Like this video, share it with your loved ones and spread the word about the amazing benefits of garlic. And don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips and tricks. We're here to help you live your healthiest life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy and keep enjoying the benefits of garlic.